right, let's get into a little DIY nail design situation. So here's everything that I'm using today. I'm using Chip Skip from OPI. It's a prep coat, and I find it's helpful when I use this because it allows all the nail polish to adhere and it prevents it from chipping, hence the name Chip Skip. And then normally I would use this Nail Teaks Formula 2 as like my protein or nail strengthener, but y'all, I'm fresh out. And I'm going to try to order some more, but I'm literally scraping the bottom of this bottle. So in its place, I'm going to use the Mega Strength Hardener from Sally Henson. And then I'll create the design today with Black Onyx from OPI and Amazing Grace from Deborah Lipman. Then I'll finish everything off with the Mega Strength Ultra Shine Top Coat from Sally Henson. And then I'll dress my cuticles with a little solar oil from C&D. I'm going to be using these vinyl stickies from a company called Vinyl Quickies. I'm not even sure if they're in business anymore because I bought these maybe 7-8 years ago. I've had them for a long time. And then I'll be using this dotting tool. So let's get into it. And so for some of y'all who don't believe that my nails break, literally my nails break all at the same time. So I'm funny. I'm trying to like hold on to these, but like all of these have broken off. So that's why I'm paying a little bit more attention to them, because I need these nails to be cute when, you know, it's time to get down with the get down. She needs to be ready to go. So we're going to take care. And now I'm going to get into the nail design. Okay, I just want to point out something. So I want to get like half of the nail to be one color. So I've got to position these a little bit off-centered. It looks off-centered, but the line will be in the, you know, in the middle of the nail, if that makes sense. If not, just stay tuned. You'll see what I'm talking about in just a second. But here's where the decals are. It's up close and personal. Probably wondering like, how's she gonna clean up those edges? I'm gonna use a little acetone and go around the edges to do a little quick cleanup. Much better. It is gonna look even better when I put the cuticle oil on it and get those cuticles moisturized. But little acetone will clean up and get the job done, all right?